Hello, welcome back. Last time we were discussing about the Dasavayus. This time already we have completed the Pancha Pujas and the Vayus and the Prana about the Prana in depth. Now let us discuss this time about the planetary influence of on human beings. So most of the planets which are influenced by the human beings are not well known until our ancient Siddhas found through their mind exercise practice. So the main nine planets they consider we'll be talking about today is so first the center of the everything all planets which are surrounding the sun is the center part. So around sun there will be more number of orbits and each planet moves regularly at a precise that pattern precision regularity followed and it will be moving around that particular orbits without clashing with each other. That is the wonder of the nature. Okay, there will be no even when we are going in today's traffic, we see a lot of accidents, but it is not like that. So they will be automatically having that repelling effect and other things. So they form that orbit, and on the orbit only they are moving precisely. Even that speed and the rotation, everything is maintained very perfect and it is accurate. It's not even deviating a minute deviations in this universe. Okay, first thing is sun. Sun we call in Tamil Surya, Suryan. That is the main source for all the planets. It gives light, heat, and it will be influence the humans for their success in the career. People who are famous, they are having good influence of the sun. Okay. Next orbit from sun is your Budan or Mercury. So Budan is green in color, uh, and it generates the frequencies which influence the mind of the people, and it is responsible for many abundant factors also. Apart from Budan, next part is on the next orbit which comes is Sukra. Sukra we call it as Venus in English, and in Tamil they call it Sukaran. Okay, so that is responsible for the wealth. So Sukra Bhagwan is worshipped on many places to gain the energy from him to become well and in the marital status also you are going to have a good peaceful marriage life. So, the Shukra will be influencing you. Next comes the Chandran. Chandran means moon. Moon. It spins around the earth and parallelly it is also moving with the earth on its orbit. So that will be influencing your mind. So there will be if you take that astrology or astronomy. So the Panchang they will be having uh, each day one tithi they will say. So it will be once it has become a full moon, so then slowly it vanishes, and after the 15th or 16th tithis, it will then become no moon. Okay, that is the sun will be influencing that light so that it will be slowly when it's deviating it will be having that different phases of the moon. So Amavasya and your Paurami will be the repeating factors after each 15 days. So that will be influenced the human brain also. The human brain it's more influenced through the earth and sorry the moon. So when the moon is influenced, it will also correspondingly move the water contents. So only they will be having the rise and fall of the tides in the seashores. So those are staying near seashore, they can find that during this Amavasya and Purnami, the tides will be more violent. So similarly, our body is having blood water contents. So that is also subject to this influence of that moon, and that will be altering your brain function. So those who are having some brain complications, they used to behave erratically during these days. So these are things. Those people who are involved in the mental sciences, they can see their influence, and they will be also having the strategy and other things how to manage these people during those days, because the moon influence will badly affect you. Either it will be a good or bad effect. Mostly for mental health deficient people, they'll be having a bad effect only. So this is about the moon. So now we have studied about Surya, Budan, Shukran, Chandra. Next comes Mars, Savai. Savai is influence for your courage, and when you are a very violent person, more Mars influence is there. So these people who are having more Mars influence, they won't be soft persons. They'll be a little bit vibrant, and they will be having tough time. And mostly these people will be having their profession itself in military or some other things, where they will be very brave and doing all the things. So next, after the Seva, it comes Guru. Guru is your Jupiter. Okay, so Guru influences for your studies and other mental health sciences. So the benefits of Guru is very great, and those people having a good Guru, they will be very good at studies. Not only in studies, they will be having a good source of all other activities influenced that is influenced by the brain. So they will be having a brainy charge due to the great influence of the Guru. After Guru, now we have covered from Sun, that is Suryan, Budan, Shukran, Chandran, Silvai, Guru. Next comes Sun, Sunny is Saturn. Saturn, according to the astrology, when everyone will be having three phases in your life, and the third phase, when Saturn is coming on your horoscope, the death occurs. That is a belief, and it is also checked and it is victimized. So, so people who are already having an astrology knowledge, they know well about this one. So Saturn is also a good influence. The person who was influenced by Saturn, they will be dealing with the iron and other things. Mostly they will be doing some weapons and other things. Saturn beneficial is only the birth of the child is due to the Saturn only. They say. So many people are afraid of Saturn, but Saturn is also having a good influence to give human beings a well settled life. Apart from this Rahu and Ketu, they are not shallow thing. They are not actually a planet or something like that. So these also influence your human life. So I think this will be helpful for you to know something about astronomy and astrology. So I find this will be useful for you. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye. See you now.